Get It is a formative assessment tool that enables teachers to check for student understanding of a topic or concept during a lesson. This interactive tool supports student engagement during live in-class and live remote instruction. Each Get It can contain a review playlist to be used for immediate remediation for students during instruction, providing a customized experience for each learner. Teachers can easily create a Get It in the Learning Object repository, share it with users across the district, and add it to instructional playlists. In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to create a Get It and add it to a playlist. Start on the dashboard and click the Create a Get It icon. Write a question. List the possible answers, and indicate the correct answer. You can add supporting media, a video, image, or audio clip pertaining to the question by clicking the Add Media button. You'll be navigated to Search to locate a learning object. Use the Add to Get It button to add the supporting resource to the question. You'll be automatically returned to the authoring tool. Click Add Question to add more questions on the same topic. Once you've finished adding questions, enter basic metadata and share the Get It to help others find it in the lore. The system will search on content in the title, questions, and description, so be sure to include key terms in the description to help you and others find your Get It's in the lore. If students answer a Get It incorrectly, you may want to automatically have them see a review playlist on the topic. To add a pre-created playlist for use as a review on the topic or concept assessed in the Get It, click the Review Playlist button. Locate the playlist and click the Add Playlist to Get It button to associate it as review with the Get It. You can correlate your Get It to standards to help users locate it in a standard search by clicking the Add Standards Correlations button. Browse to find the standard you want, and click Submit. Use the Return to Get It link to return to the authoring tool. And save the Get It. Here's the title page for the Get It. From here you can review the questions and metadata added, and use the Edit button to make changes. Click the Preview button to preview your Get It, which will display the correct answer. You can use the Add to Playlist button to add a Get It to a playlist. And easily drag and drop the Get It among the playlist learning objects. From Teacher Presentation View, use the Launch button to start a live session with students in class and/or in a live remote session. Note that student users can locate Get It's in a search, but they do not have access to preview or launch a Get It and will not see Get It's that have been added to a playlist at this time.